Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry, and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Hello viewers, and you're welcome to the lesson 6 of this tutorial. In this video, we are going to be talking about the macros. Now, the macros are simply a series of recorded commands that can be repeated or replicated to other objects. And the macro is located right inside the developer tab. So I will click on the developer tab. Just as inside the code command group, we will see our macros and our record macro. To better understand how the macro works, we are going to be applying macro to this paragraph over here. So you see, we'll record a macro using this paragraph, changing its font type, font color, and font size. Then we will repeat the command by running the macro to the second paragraph. So I will go right into the code command group and I will click on macro. So I am asked to input a macro name. So I'll just go ahead and read this as macro 1 for example sake. So below I have assign macro using two options. The first one is as a button and the second is as a keyboard. Now, if we are to use the keyboard option, we will be asked to input a keyboard shortcut key, which we could use to activate the macro. So you can go ahead, use the keyboard if probably you want to try it. But for this tutorial, I'll be sticking with the first option, which is the button. So before I click on the button, below here I have store macro in all documents. So when I save this as in all documents, the macro gets repeated on all documents. But if I want the repeated commands to only take place on my current document, okay, I will click on this drop down and I will select my current document, which is Welcome to Microsoft Word. So you could see the title over here. So but I will leave this as, I will click back and leave it as all documents. So I could change the, so I could make the description as font formatting. Okay, and I'll just click on the button and this opens up. So as you can see, this opens up the word option dialog box. So this is the macro I've just added, the title macro one. So I'll select on it and I'll click on add and it gets added to my quick access toolbar. So I'll just go ahead and I'll click on OK, and you can see I get my macro option over here being activated. So when I move my cursor around the text, notice how the cursor icon changes, letting me know that a macro is being activated. So what I have to do is to simply select my text and get the pause recording and stop recording. So I will be applying some of the font effects now. So I'll go to my home tab. So first I will change the font type to, let's say, this font type. Then I will change the color to green. Alright, maybe I will increase the font size. I think I'm okay with this. So once I'm done with my changes, I could decide to add any other features I want. Let's say I want to change the case to a sentence case. I'll just go back to this. Now select my sentence case and it gets changed. So once I'm satisfied with the changes I want to record, I'll go to my developer tab and I'll click on stop recording. I could pause the recording probably to do other things and resume the recording to reactivate the recording. So I'm satisfied with my changes now. I'll just click on stop recording. So now our recorded macro is being saved. Now to repeat the same command on the second paragraph which I have here, I'll simply select the paragraph, alright, and I'll go over to my macro, click on the drop down. As you can see, I have my macro one over here, so I'll just click on run, okay, and my second text has taken the formatting of the saved macro. So macro simply helps us repeat recorded commands to our text or our document. So I'm going to be making some other changes to this second text over here. I'll be applying some text effects, some border lines to it. So I'll just click on Ctrl Z to undo. So I'll click on Ctrl Z to undo. This time I'll select my text. I'll go to my developer tab. I'll click on record. This time I'll put it as text. I'll now click on button. This time I'll just click on it and I'll click on add. Now click on OK. My macro has been activated. So I'll go right to my home tab. Alright, this time I'll change the color as this. It's orange. I'll add borders to it. Add a shade color if I want to. Maybe orange, and maybe I could go and change the font color. So let's say black, so it will stand out a bit. Okay, and I could apply any of these changes I want. Maybe change the font to, let's say this, then increase the font size. So once I'm done with my macro record commands, I can go and stop my recording. So my macro 2 has been saved. Now I will be replicating this to my first paragraph. And to do that, I will simply select my first paragraph. Now go over to macro. Now select the macro 2. Now click on run. You can see my first paragraph has taken the macro command. My first part, you can see my first paragraph has taken the formatting of the macro 2 command of the macro 2 of the macro. And as you can see, my first paragraph has taken the macro recording of my macro 2 saved. As you can see, my first paragraph has taken the text formatting of my saved macro 2. So this is how you can add macro and apply it to your text document. You can also apply macro to other documents. One last thing I will do is I'll be recording a macro and effecting the change on another Microsoft Word document. So I will go over to my developer tab, click on macro, click on record macro. This time I'll name it as macro 3. I'll name my description as page watermark. So I'll make sure I don't leave a space on the description. Now click on OK. So this time I'll go to my home tab, to my design tab. Now I'll add a watermark which is draft. Okay, as you can see, watermark is being added to this page. So now I'll go to my other Microsoft Word documents, and my macro 3 has been saved. So now I'll be opening a new Microsoft Word document. I'll click on the file, okay, and let's say I'll just go with the testing results Word document. To repeat the macro command on this new document, I'll go to my developer tab. Now click on the macros. So I'll select my macro 3. Now as you can see, my new document has taken the watermark which is draft, which was what I just saved on my other documents. So you can go ahead, record macro and run macro on your document. Video is helpful to you. Give us a thumb up, like, comment. If you have any question, leave your questions on the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you once more and have a nice day.